engineering drawing entry. I want us to look at the question 3 of engineering drawing entry. So this is question 3. Figure 3 shows primary views of a components of a drive shaft connector. So these are the component of a drive shaft connector. So the complete list of the part is as follows. We've got item 1 till item 8. So we have to combine this item 1 so that we have the drive shaft connector. So the question said, draw to a scale 1:1 an assemble drawing of a full sectional front view of this drive shaft connector assemble. So using a scale 1:1. So these are the views that we are given. So I hope you guys you know this. So these are the views. So let's see how do you go about it. So these are the views. We've got item 1 till item 8. So item 8 is the pin. So all these items, they must be fitted in item 1. Item 8. So we normally say item, the bigger the number is, the smaller the item becomes, isn't it? And so when we analyze this, will be like the higher number supposed to be fitted on the lower number. So we cannot fit item 4 in item 8. We rather fit item 8 in item 4. So when we fit them, we correspond them with what? With their shape as well as their dimension. Understand? So for instance, we've got item 8 like this. This item 8 has to be fitted in item 7. Does it fit? No, it's not fitting. Fit it in item what? In item 6. Does it fit? It's still not fitting. Fit it in item 5. Does it fit? We are having a diameter of 6 millimeter. So diameter of 6 millimeter. Yes, indeed, item 8 it fits in what? In item 5. It's gonna be fitted there. So now we've solved 8. Let's fit 7 into 6. Doesn't go. Fit 7 into 5. Doesn't go. Fit 7 into 4. It doesn't go. Fit 7 into 3. Yes, it goes, because it's diameter 25 and you have 25 there. So this one, it will be fitted there. So fit diameters item 6 now in what? In item 5. It doesn't go. Fit it in item 3. Remember, this one is already there. So this one is going to be fitted in item 1. In item 1, where right there. You understand? So now item 5, does it fit in item 4? Yes, it does. This is diameter 18. So again, this one, it has got 18, and this pin as well, so which means it will be mounted there. So how about 4 fitting into 3? No, it's not fitting. Fitting it in item 2. No, it's not fitting. Fitting in item 1 is not fitting, which means this one, it will be a hookup up there. You understand? Up there. So now fit this. Now go to item 3. Does item 3 fit in item 2? From here till here. From here till here is 55 millimeter. So yes, this item 3 can be fitted in item 2 like this. Then item 2 fit it in item 1. Yes, it can fit 55, and even here we've got 55. So this one can be fitted there. After you've analyzed these views like this, then come back to your to your part list. So the part list that we are having a 1 up to 8 items, isn't it? So the very much important is the quantity. You have to check how many times do you have to draw item 4. Item 4, they are saying you have to draw it twice. Item 5, you have to draw it twice. Item 8, you have to draw it twice. They say item 4 and 5 and 8. Where is item 4? Item 4, you draw it twice. Item 4, which is this one. They say you have to draw it twice. And item 5, which is this one, you have to draw it twice. Then item 8, which is the pin, you have to draw it twice. So how? Why are they saying twice? So remember that the question said to draw a what? A front view. A front view, which means you will be concentrating on front views only. When we are drawing, we only take front views. So this is item 1, this is the front view of item 1, this is the top view of item 1. This is item 2, this is the front view, this is the top view. Why? Because of they've told us that these views are given according to this angle. So this is item 3. So this is the front view of item 3, this is the top view of item 3. This is the top view. So you have to be careful, especially in item 1 and item 3. So item 4, this is the front view of item 4. Item 5, this is its front. Item 6, this is its front. Item 7, then item 8. So now when you start to draw, start with item 1. Start with item 1 using a scale of 1:1. You remember item 1. So I am going to start with what? With the horizontal line, center line. That's going to be like this. So I decide to start here. So like this. So I decide to start here. So this center line is actually this one. There by your what? Your item 1. It will be as good as if that one. Item 1, this one. So now I can say, because from here till there is 95 millimeter. So I can say 95 divided by 2 is 47.5. You understand? And so to get that, I can simply do like this, because I have to record the dimension on top of the constructional line, which is the correct in terms of vertical or horizontal. So 95 divided by 2 is how much? Is 47.5. So this 47.5 is between 46 and 40, and then I mark at 95 and mark at 0. Right after I've gotten that, then I can go faint like this and go faint like this. So I hope you can see my faint line. This is it, and the other one is, which one is this one? So after I've gotten my faint lines like this, so now I can come to say from here till here the set is radius 20. From here till there is radius 20. Remember, we are drawing only the front views, not the top or the left. You understand? So from here till here is 20 millimeter. So I can measure it from here till here, or from there till there, or as long as it's horizontal. So there's my 20 millimeter. You understand? So from here till there is that 20 millimeter. Then where my 20 millimeter ends, remember it's radius. So I can put a vertical center line, which is this one. Which is this one. There it goes. Which is this one. There you go. it's the vertical center line. Then from there, now from here till 95 millimeter, which is this one, from here till there, isn't it? So I see another dimension of 55. So have your calculator, 55 divided by 2, amarcha, you get him, simplify it further, 27.5. So I'm going to say from here till there 27.5, from here till there 27.5. So which means I can easily just put it in 27.5, 25, 26, 27.5. So I mark at 0 and mark at what? At 55. This is it. Then I will draw a faint line and draw a faint line. So I hope you can see my faint line. So from there, now we are not given the radius of this, because you can see it's not what, it's not a sharp corner like this one. You understand, it's not a sharp corner. So which means I won't be penalized if I use this ruler. So there you go, as long as you are accurate. What I did up there, I can do it down here as well. Which is this one? I'm drawing at night, so you have to be careful. Just this one. So remember, as you are drawing item 1, so bear it in mind that you are drawing an internal item, which is item internal one. So which means some other lines, they'll disappear, some other lines, a hidden detail line, they'll become dark as well. So now I do have this one from here till there, which is this one. So I can come back and have it dark till here, from here till there, dark and dark. So I can go in just a little bit, even here in a little bit. So which one is that one? It's good as if now I'm going inside like this. Okay, so from the center we are told that, remember from here till here we said it's 25, said it's 20, not 25, 20 radius, which is what is the one that you started with. Then from here going in 30 millimeter, from here till here 30. So where's your 30? Is this one right there. So where I get 30, I can draw this line straight away. This is it, from here till there, horizontal. So I cannot close it here because there is some other items that they must be fitted there. So I'm scared to close it dark. It's not gonna be dark. As far as I'm concerned, from here till here it will disappear. You understand? So now from the very same center you go back with what, with 45 millimeter. So from here till there is 30, isn't it? So from here till there the set is 45. Now you do that, there is my 45. So this is simple. This is simple. This ensemble drawing, it was simple. So I think who was writing this paper, those group of 2022 second trimester T2, they were able to get this correct because this is simple, straightforward. You understand? This is simple, straightforward. So now I can have this. There you go. There you go. There you go. Wait, somewhere here and somewhere there. let's get it. Go down a little bit. So there you go. You understand? You see what I was trying to avoid, yeah, because of the reflection of the light. I could not get it straight because I'm drawing at night. So go up a little bit. So it's this one. There you go. See, this one is absolutely double lines are not allowed, isn't it? So now this line, this point from here till there, it will disappear. From here till here, it will disappear. You understand? And this one, it will change to dark. This one change to dark. So now this, the outside diameter is diameter 37. So we're going to say 37 divided by 2. So you're getting 18.5. 15. This is 20. 18.5 is between 18 and 19, isn't it? So I mark it 37, 5, 6, 7, see 37, and mark it 0. You understand? So I project this, faint going the side, faint coming the side. So now I can extend this line of mine dark till way, dark till here. You understand? Dark till here, and even this one dark till here. Once it gets here, let me see. Is this, how did I got it? They said 18. Let me double check. 15, 16, 17, 18.5. So I can see Mosuguti, this distance from here till here is not the same as from here till here. So it's 37.5 divided by 2, we are getting 18 millimeter. This is 15, 16, 17, 18.5. So it's here, my brother. And 30, 37, 30, 35, 36, 37 is right here. So which means this one is supposed to go up a little bit to right there. So this one you have to erase it. So erase this one before it confuses you. Even this one. So the correct one is this one. So I can have a faint line this side and a faint line this side. So now I'm convinced that from here till here is the same as from here till is equal, and again from here till here is equal to this one. By looking you can tell, you can be able to tell. So now from there till there 25 millimeter, which is this one, 20, 25, 30. So I mark it 0, which is this one. Now get a what? A horizontal line, a vertical. So now from here till there I can have a solid line from here till there, and again from here till here I can have a vertical horizontal dark line, horizontal dark line. So now let's see what else are we going to have now. So we are going to have an inside diameter of diameter 25. So you are going to say 25 divided by 25 divided by 2, you are getting 12.5, isn't it? 12.5. So going from the center, 12.5, 12.5. So I can easily put it at 12.5. This is 12.5, between 12 and 13. Then I mark at 0. I can even draw, understand, because I know that it's gonna end there and at 25 here, and draw till here, understand. So from here I have horizontal faint line and another horizontal faint line, understand. So from there, what are we going to have? Let's see the depth. So it's going to go up until at the what, at 30, because from here till here is 31 millimeter. Actually, we're actually given everything from here till here is 31 millimeter. You will read it there by your top view. So from here going back, 31 is right here. Then I am going to have this faint line. So this one I am going to draw it dark now, from here till there, like as we've said, it is going to change to be dark again, from here till there, dark, from here till there, dark. Right. So the moment I extend this line from here till this side, the moment I'm extending it further, I am now considering what item 6. From here further passing, I am now talking about item 6, which means I'm simply saying item 6 is already there, guys. So further in this center, further. So have your drawing compass. So the moment I'm taking these lines like this now, I am now saying item 6 is now there. So I'll have to draw this one. There you go. There you go. There you go. You understand? So there is item 6. It's already there, which is this one. Because they said is diameter 25, and this 25, they said 2 of them. So this one, it will enter here. So it's good as if you take this one like the way as it is, you come and fit it there in item 1 like this. You understand? So now what we can follow, this is item 1 with item, this is item 1 incomplete with what, with item 6. So now we are going to followed by what, item 2, and we take the fronts. Remember, we are taking only fronts. So we it's good as if we're going to push this item 2 to come and fit in what, in item 1. So we see that with what, with this dimension from here till here 55, and it will it has got a hole of what, the inside diameter of what, let me see, from here till here is how much? From here till here is 30, isn't it? So from here till here is 30. So this, the inner one now is going to be diameter 30. Diameter 30. Who's telling us that is this one? Remember that this is the front, this is the top, which means if you are looking at this item 2 on its top, you're going to see something of this nature. Understand? When you take a look at this item on its top, you're going to see something of this nature. Actually, this is not diameter, it's a square. That is why they didn't symbolize it as a diameter. it's a what? It's a square of 30 millimeter. You understand? So which means from here till here 30, from here till here 30. You understand? Again, when you are looking at this top view, under it you're going to see a shape of this one. Understand? So that correspond with what? That correspond with what? With item 5 being fitted there. Remember they said 2 of it, which means the other one, it should be in like this, the other one on top like this. The other one, it should be like this. Then the other one of what? Of item 5. Remember item 5, they said you have to draw it twice. Right. So now let's fit item 2 in item 1. Item 2 in item 1. So we're going to say 55 divided by 2, which is this one. So now we're going to say 30 divided by 2, which is 15 millimeter. 15 millimeter like this. So my 30 is ending here, my 0 is ending here. Right. With that, which means I can have this line from here till right here solid without fear or favor. And again this side, can I have this one dark? If I'm drawing this one dark, it's good as if I'm drawing this one, right? So but how about this one? I cannot draw it dark throughout like this one. I can only just draw it a little bit faint like this. Why? Because of you see that there is something happening there. You understand? So now what can we do to complete that? We are going to put item what? Item 3. We will have to put item 3. Remember, if we express a full full sectional front view of item 2, which means 3, which means the cutting plane is where? Is at the center of your item 3 on its top, so that this one, it will disappear. You don't have hatches here. This one, it will become dark. So which means clearly we are going to see this. We are going to see it clear, but with this one dark, with this one dark. From here till here it will disappear. From here till here it will disappear. You understand? So which means now we can, from here we are going to measure 15 millimeter, so that we get what? We get from here till here 15 millimeter, from here till here 15 millimeter, so that it gives you your what? Your true 30. You understand? So let's do it. There's my 15 millimeter. It's this one. Remember, the center is this one. How? Like this.